Welcome back to Smart Architectural Programming, your go-to channel for coding insights and web development tutorials. Today, we're diving into an exciting project, building a responsive dashboard using Chart.js. This dashboard will not only be visually appealing but also adaptive to different screen sizes, ensuring a seamless experience across devices. Let's start by looking at the basic HTML structure. Here's how we've set up the body and navigation. Here, we have a fixed sidebar navigation containing user information and navigation links. The dark mode class is applied to the body, which will allow us to easily toggle between light and dark themes later. Next, let's move on to the main content section, where we'll be displaying our data and charts. This section is divided into left and right content areas. The left content area includes a search bar, upcoming events, and more. The right content area, which we'll cover later, includes analytics and contacts. One cool feature of this dashboard is the ability to switch between light and dark mode. Let's see how this works. By toggling the dark mode class on the body element, we can easily switch the theme. This is paired with corresponding day and night images that change based on the mode. Now, let's get to the heart of our dashboard, the analytics section with a responsive donut chart using Chart.js. This code initializes a donut chart that displays event distribution. Chart.js makes it easy to create beautiful, responsive charts with just a few lines of code. The responsive, true option ensures the chart adjusts to different screen sizes, making it perfect for our dashboard. Finally, let's populate the event list dynamically based on the data in our chart. This function loops through our chart data and creates list items displaying the percentage of each event type attended. It's a simple yet effective way to make our dashboard more informative. And that's a wrap. We've built a responsive dashboard with a dynamic donut chart using Chart.js. This setup provides a great foundation for more advanced analytics and interactive features. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more coding tutorials. See you in the next video.